Hello everyone, in this video we are looking at the next step, that is bidding a Panda NFT in marketplace. The first step, make sure you log in. In my profile, currently we have 1.7 Pandas token. Then we go on to the menu and click on marketplace. From this page, we are going to view auctions. Click on the auction on which you want to place your bid. Let's click on the bid button to place our bid. Enter bid amount that you want. Let's click on the start button. You can see the bid has been placed successfully. The page will reload it and you will be able to see our bid. You can click on cancel bid button to get your bid back or cancel your bid. We will wait till auction owner accept our bid. After a bid is accepted by auction owner, inside my collection page, we can see we got the NFT. Also, the amount 1.5 Pandas token are transferred to auction owner. So third, we can place a bid on the platform.